Gather round, children, this one's my favorite. As the holiday season flourishes, many live carefree, decorating their homes and admiring their Christmas tree. A house in proper working order helps the Christmas spirit soar, from HVAC to lighting, but especially the garage door. There was one who would spy, peek, and even lurk, frustrated that his garage door would not quite work.
Max, get my bag!
Snooping and sneaking, peeping and peering, longing and lusting for the toys he was seeing. Surprised by a tap and a smiling face, he turned to his surprise to find love and grace. The toy that he thought was a toy was much more. It moved up and down and even had a tiny garage door. This Christmas, call fast and don't wait. Keep the people inside feeling warm and great. Call A+ Garage Doors before it's too late. Merry Christmas.